Today, I'll show you how to add blob storage in Microsoft Azure. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out in cloud computing, setting up blob storage is an essential skill for storing and managing unstructured data like documents, images, and videos. To begin, let's navigate to the Microsoft Azure portal. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a global search bar at the top of your screen. This is a handy tool for quickly finding any service or resource within Azure. In this search bar, type in Storage Accounts. As you type, you'll see a drop-down list of services. Go ahead and select Storage Accounts from this list. This will take you to the Storage Accounts page, where you can manage your existing storage solutions or create new ones. Now, let's create a new storage account. Look at the top Actions toolbar on this page, and you'll see a distinct +Create button. Click on this button to initiate the process of creating a new storage account. This is where you'll configure the settings for your blob storage. You'll be prompted to fill in several details to set up your storage account correctly. These details include the subscription under which you want the storage account to reside, the resource group, and the name of your storage account. The storage account name must be unique across Azure, so choose something memorable yet distinctive. You'll also need to select a location, which determines where your data will be physically stored. It's best to choose a location that's geographically close to your users to minimize latency. Additionally, you'll have to select the performance tier for your storage account. Azure offers two options here, Standard and Premium. The Standard tier is cost-effective and suitable for general-purpose storage, while the Premium tier provides low-latency, high-throughput storage suitable for I/O-intensive applications. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, double-check your selections to ensure everything is correct. This is crucial because some settings cannot be changed once the storage account is created. When you're confident that all the details are accurate, click on the Review +Create button at the bottom of the page. This action will take you to a summary screen where you can review your configuration one last time. If everything looks good, click the Create button on this summary screen. Azure will now start provisioning your new storage account, which may take a few minutes. You'll see a notification once the process is complete and your storage account is ready to use. With your blob storage account now set up, you can start uploading and managing your data. Blob storage is an excellent solution for scalable, durable, and highly available data storage, making it a popular choice among developers and IT professionals alike. And there you have it. You've successfully created a blob storage account in Microsoft Azure. Remember, you can always return to the Storage Accounts page to modify settings or create additional accounts as your needs grow. Thank you for following along, and happy cloud computing.